One of my easy quick fix meals is a single pot creation that uses a lot of leftover ingredients. That's my beautiful leek and bacon couscous, ready in a jiffy, and the best part, gets done all in a single pot. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating it. Now it's all about playing with ingredients. So into my cast iron, you get a squirt or two of some olive oil, nearly about 20 to 25 mils. And as that gets nice and hot, it's about rendering the fat of the bacon. So about 400 grams of bacon, roughly chopped up, go right in. Now while I want the bacon to burnish and brown, I also want to add flavor to it. So in goes 8 cloves of garlic, finely minced up, along with 6 bird-eye chilies, cut as fine as possible. Flavoring this again goes 4 stalks of celery, finely chopped up, along with 4 stalks of leeks, roughly cut up, and about 2 red onions. Just swish and stir away. Now remember, in a single pot, it always has to have the right kind of balance. So in go the vegetables. 1 zucchini diced up and 1 squash diced up as well. Swish and stir away. Now is the time to season, but not too much salt because the bacon is overtly salty, and you need some heat, so that heat comes together with some freshly milled beautiful black pepper. You can add any herbs to enhance this. I'm just going old school with some freshly chopped beautiful curly parsley. Nicely browning at the base, it's now time to add in the water, equal quantity of couscous and water. So 500 ml of water with 500 grams of couscous. Put the water in and bring it to a robust boil. Bubbling away, it's time to drop in the couscous, 500 grams of it. Give it a quick stir so everything mixes really well. Switch off the flame and just allow it to infuse. But what you need to do is have it nicely covered so that the couscous blooms really well. 10 minutes covered and allowing this to bloom really well. Now I'm curious to make it a bit fancy. And a garnish that really works well, releasing all its essential oils, is an orange on a microplane, just zesting it right on top. Just loosen it out so that it doesn't get all clunky, and a decadent quick fix leftover meal, slightly fancy, is ready. Now while this does look very fancy, it is so simple. All you need to do is understand the principles and work around it. You can swap the vegetables, you can swap the meat, you can eliminate the meat altogether and still have a decadent quick fix lunch, or a lazy brunch where you're not really in the mood to cook anything fancy. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.